You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby oh. This body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm going to be trying out a wig from Ayiyi, and this is what the packaging of this hair looks like. So right in the box I have a headband. This is really cute. Oh, actually two headbands, same design, same color. And I have lashes, so the lashes look really natural and cute. Thank you so much, Ayiyi. And of course the main reason why we are here is this wig. Wow, the density. Yes, you know guys, you know I love full hair, right? They make me happy. I love full hair. This is really full. So this one is a 4x4 closure, as you can see. So right now I'm going to bleach the knots. I'm thinking of adding a little bit of color to this side. What do you guys think? Yes, I'm going to bleach this small piece right here, like small piece like this. Yeah, I just love styles that come with small, you know, a little bit of drama. Nothing too crazy, just small strand of hair like this is what I'm going to be bleaching. Okay, so I have everything that I need to bleach this hair. I have the product. These ones are from Fanola. The brand is Fanola. To add in half of the mixing powder. It's a closure wig. I really don't need too much of this, so that's half of it. And the 30 volume developer from the same brand, Fanola. You can find this brand on Amazon. That's where I buy mine from. It's an Italian brand. Okay, so I only added a little of the developer because I don't want it running. I'm going to add a little more because right now it's too thick. I only added a few drops because it was too thick, so I added a few more drops. I think I'll be needing more. But let me use this one to bleach the knot first, and then I can add more to bleach the hair. So I'm going to spray some water to keep those hair flying in the front of this closure. Okay, so now that I have those hairs out of the way, it's time to apply the mixture. So this is what I'm going to do. I like to start from the back because the back is where you have the big knots, and those big knots are the stubborn ones that takes time to bleach. So and the reason why I'm bleaching the knots before bleaching the hair is because the knots take longer to bleach. So guys, as you can see, this is the middle of the hair, right? So I'm just going to take a small piece from here like so, Nothing too big, just a really small piece from here, like this. And I'm also going to repeat the same thing on this side. As well. I don't think that is the middle. Is that really the middle of this hair? Yeah, it's the middle. Okay, so I took a small piece on both sides. And I have my aluminum foil, which I'm going to cut into two. So right now I'm applying more of the developer to the rest of the bleach, because the first mixture was for the lace. You don't want the lace mixture to be runny. You can see this one is running. I feel like the lace closure is the same length as the hair. It's so long. I wasn't expecting the lace closure to be this long, but yeah, it is very long, which is amazing. So I'll repeat the same thing on this side of the hair as well.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take up. Batman me a come in me a wanna.
So guys, as you can see, I'm bleaching everything at the same time. The hair is bleaching and the knots as well is bleaching. So by the time the knots have bleached, the hair also would have bleached to the color that I want it to be. So yeah, I'm going to give it about 10 minutes more and then I'll wash off the bleach.
Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. You are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
So guys, I already have my stocking cap on. The next thing I'm going to do is to apply this Ruby Kisses face creator. It's like this. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like this. So I have them in different shades. I have them in about 5 different shades, but I'm using the number 12. And I also have number 16 right here, but I think I'll just stick to the number 12 for today. And I'm using the darkest shade in this number 12 palette. So I'm just going to apply it on my stocking cap to match with my skin. So this is the wig. I'm also going to apply the darkest shade on the number 12 inside of my lace.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
So after that, I'm going to cut the lace in a zigzag motion. So guys, I've gone ahead to cut off the lace before putting it on my head. Where's my small comb? Don't forget this wig comes with an elastic band attached to it already, so
fire blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a them, me a what I done.
I'm going to use the lightest shade from the number 12.
Let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Hello, I tell them, coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk.
Guys, look how silky this is. So this is the body wave that I straightened. My god, I love this hair. I love the color at the front. It's not so vibrant, super soft, and straightening this hair was really not a problem at all. Like everything just went smoothly. Bleaching the knots was super fast. The hair does take bleach really fast. I didn't even leave the bleach on the hair for up to 10 minutes. So guys, don't forget I sell hair. So when I see a good hair, I know one, this hair is super full, the density is amazing, and the quality of the hair is also very great. And I highly recommend Ayiyi hair. This is actually my first time of trying out Ayiyi hair, and I absolutely love the result. And the density of this hair is amazing, guys. The density is amazing. This should be around 250% density. I'm not sure because I've had this hair for over a month, like close to 2 months. I just haven't had time to, you know, do it. And also I broke my lens. I had to get a new lens in order to complete this video. So that's basically it for this video. Like I said before, every details of this hair will be in the description box below in case you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pommy yard, say me pommy yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pommy yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one.